Guys, welcome back to this channel. Guys, there is a quick alpha I want to drop. Guys, this is amazing. Do you know there is a secret marketplace? Yeah, it's secret because you don't know about it. It's right there in your faces, and you can make tens of thousands of dollars in that marketplace if you know what to buy and sell. On that marketplace also, you can get Telegram Premium. You can pay for Telegram Premium with ton tokens. You can also pay for advertisement, so you can advertise your goods and services on Telegram. You can also register your Telegram channel to get paid for advertisements by ton. You can buy mobile numbers. Yes, anonymous mobile phone numbers. You can buy them. You can also buy and hoard and later sell, of course, important Telegram usernames of big brands when they come searching for it, because you're going to buy them and they're going to be minted just like NFTs. Guys, let me show you the secret. It is right inside your TonKeeper wallet. I told you, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn the notification button on, watch every video on this channel, because one video is an alpha and every video on this channel has been a hit from back to back to back to back. Guys, let's go in now. Let's open TonKeeper wallet, okay? This is really amazing. I'm gonna just put in my passcode here, and there we go. Guys, look at this. So you're going to head over to browser, so history, browser, and then you're going to scroll up past the digital nomads, exchanges, DeFi, and yes, under NFTs, you're going to click the fragment button. Exactly, fragment, guys. Here you're going to see a brand new world. Guys, I told you. Here you can secure your name with blockchain. So like an NFT, you can mint, of course, a username, and then you can auction it. Can you see someone is selling at Dream username on Telegram, dream.t.me at 27,300 ton, guys. 27,300 ton. This is astonishing. This is amazing. This is the minimum bid so far. You can even change it from the lowest to the highest to see other bids. Can you see Aptrus for 2 ton? All 7777 for 2 ton. And of course, a host countless others right there on auction. That's not all. This is just for usernames, okay? So you can search for a special username you think is going to be valuable in the future for big brand or companies, and you can of course mint them and sell them later, okay? On auction, sold already. Okay, can you see the ones that have been sold? People have sold several usernames here, of course, for different prices here. Guys, this is really amazing. This is a big business that you can do. Or of course, can you see this has been sold for 997,000 ton? Can you see that? And this auto has been sold for 900,000 ton. Bank has been sold for 850,000 ton. Guys, check this out. This is for it. Doge has been sold for 350,000 ton. Guys, this is amazing. You have not gotten this from anywhere else. You can only find this on this channel. Meta has been sold for how much? 404,000 ton. Can you see that? Meta, of course, belonging to Facebook, right? Guys, this is amazing. Adidas was sold for 250,000 ton. Guys, don't play. This is really serious, guys. You should not joke with this. Man City was sold for 175,000 ton. Guys, this is astonishing. This is a business that you can do. Just buy and hoard usernames, important usernames, and of course get to list it and sell it for good amounts. Now, another thing you can do here is to click on the number tab and buy phone numbers. Yes, you can buy phone numbers right here. Of course, you can buy phone numbers right here, guys. Different phone numbers, you can buy them right here. Of course, you have the premium part here, of course, where you can buy Telegram Premium. Can you believe that, guys? Yes, 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 yes. You can buy Telegram Premium and pay with crypto. Of course, you can pay with crypto for yourself or for your friends. You can also do premium giveaways here. So if you want to give away Telegram Premium, you can do that here and give away to people as a gift, guys. This is amazing. And then of course there is the ads bar where you can of course see how you can pay with crypto for ads to be displayed in public broadcast channels on Telegram, guys. You can display your business, your service, your good, what you do for a living, probably your CV if you need a job. Guys, you can display here and you pay with crypto. You can also get paid. You can get paid. Yes, you receive ton coins generated from ads displayed in public broadcast channels on Telegram. So guys, this is really amazing. Fragment is of course a big ecosystem on its own inside the TonKeeper wallet and of course on the Telegram ecosystem, okay, or we can just say on the Ton ecosystem. I actually use them interchangeably, but of course we know they're not the same. Of course, Telegram is like layer 2 and of course Ton is the layer 1 itself, the blockchain itself. So guys, this is really serious, guys. I think you should not miss Fragment. So let's go ahead and let's just try to buy, of course, Telegram Premium so that we can learn how to buy Telegram Premium with Ton. Okay, let's go to Premium. Let's buy Premium for a user. So here we can buy for 1 year, for 6 months, or for 3 months. Of course, I'm going to buy for 1 year, of course, the highest one, right? So let's buy Telegram for 1 year. So I'm just going to click on Gift Telegram. Let's see. Gift Telegram right here. Oh, I have to choose the recipient name, right? Yeah, so let's enter the recipient name. Telegram username, of course, is this. Okay. Let's see, is that correct? This account is already subscribed. Okay, so it means that we have to wait until the account is no longer subscribed for Telegram Premium. And when it is not subscribed for Telegram Premium, then we can pay for it. So let me look for one of my subscribers, or there's no need for that, guys. So it's very simple. I think you don't need to stress yourself. Just put your username there. And if you don't have Telegram Premium already, because I think I have Telegram Premium, let's see why it's not working. Let's confirm if I really have Telegram Premium, right? So I'm here and I'm just going to click on Telegram. So let's see if I have Telegram Premium. Let's see. Do I have Telegram Premium? Click on my profile. Or not here. Click here. Let's see. I want to be sure I have Telegram Premium settings. Oh yes, I think I have Telegram Premium, guys. I think so. Let's see. Let's see. So my premium subscription is active. Can you see it here? So my premium subscription is active and the extension date would be on the 20th of May 2024. So I still have my Telegram Premium active. So that is why I cannot buy Telegram Premium at the moment. But if I didn't have my Telegram Premium active, all I needed to do was just to put my Telegram username here at Team Dan, or Team Dan without the at, character, of course, and I could just buy for 1 year, for 6 months, or for 3 months by clicking on the Gift Telegram, button here, and of course approving the payment in my wallet, and of course the Telegram Premium will be confirmed. So guys, please use these opportunities on this Telegram fragment, guys. You can get money from the ads. Of course, you can, publish your own ads. Like, it's so amazing. I could not believe this when I discovered this. It was really amazing. You can just do whatever you want. You can buy numbers here, anonymous numbers. Okay, if you need anonymous numbers, you can buy them. Of course, the biggest one right here is, of course, this username business. I think I should be looking for some important usernames in the world and just mint them here and then find a way to sell them myself. Yes, and then list them for sales to see what comes with it. So guys, make sure you do this: usernames, number, premium, and of course ads, guys. So guys, don't miss this for anything. Make sure you do that. See you next time on this channel. Bye.